Here we go. Right, time to send it on the red apple run. That's got no red apple. Where's the apple, Chris?
They've lost it.
They've lost it. Get an apple on it. Clearly, we've not been working that stuff. I'm really impressed with this car. Really nice. Beautiful. It's not just me. Here we go. I've probably kids on the ride. Oh, not bad. I tell you what. Apart from the horrible restraint, it's really nice, isn't it, Chris?
It's not bad.
Well. Yeah. Goovin Luna Park. Horrible.
Oh!